Choosing the right IDE is crucial for any developer. Let's compare three of the most popular options: IntelliJ, Eclipse, and vscode. IntelliJ IDEA is known for its intelligent code completion, powerful refactoring tools, and deep integration with Java. It's a great choice for Java developers who want a feature-rich, out-of-the-box experience. Eclipse has been a long-time favorite in the enterprise world. Its biggest strength is its extensibility, with a massive ecosystem of plugins that can be tailored to any workflow. It's a solid choice for large, complex projects. vscode, or Visual Studio Code, is a lightweight and versatile code editor. It supports a huge range of languages and has a vast marketplace of extensions. It's perfect for web developers and those who work with multiple languages. So, which one is right for you? If you're a Java developer who wants the best tools, go with IntelliJ. If you need a highly customizable IDE for a large project, Eclipse is a great option. And if you want a fast, flexible editor for a variety of languages, vscode is the way to go.